Hello friends, myself Subhash Nagarse from Sri Digambar Jain Gurukul High School, Solapur. I shall welcome to all of you in this session of 9th Mathematics Part 1st. The topic is Polynomials Part 5. In this session we are going to discuss the synthetic division method. Friends, in the previous session of this Polynomial Part 4, we have been discussed on the practice set 3.2. So those problems were based on the addition of the polynomials, subtraction of the polynomials, multiplication of the polynomials, and division of the polynomials. Friends, today in this session we are going to discuss the synthetic division method. One more way of division of polynomials, very easy this one. So friends, we'll discuss the synthetic division method. What do you mean by this one? There are two methods in mathematics for dividing polynomials. These are the long division and the synthetic division method. As the name suggests, the long division method is most cumbersome. Now, on the other hand, the synthetic division method is a fun way of dividing these polynomials. Very easy and interesting one. Synthetic division is a shortcut method for dividing the two polynomials, which can be used in place of the standard long division algorithm. This method reduces the division and divides the polynomials into a set of numeric values. After these values are processed, the resulting set of the numeric outputs is obtained to construct this polynomial quotient and the polynomial remainder. So friends, now we will learn an easy method for division of these polynomials, that is synthetic division method, when divisor is of the form x plus a or x minus a. Let us take one of the example. Let us write the dividend polynomial of this coefficient form. So index form of the dividend polynomial is 3x cube plus 2x square minus 1. That can be written in the decreasing order of their indices as 3x cube plus 2x square plus 0x minus 1. So the coefficient form of the given polynomial is 3, 2, 0 and minus 1. Divisor polynomial is equal to x plus 2. Let us use the following steps for synthetic division. Friends, first of all, draw the horizontal and one vertical line as shown alongside. You can see here the first row, second row and third row. Here we are writing in the first row as the coefficient form of the dividend. Divisor is x plus 2. Hence, we have to take the opposite number of 2, which is minus 2. X plus 2. 2 is here positive, so opposite of this is minus 2. Write minus 2 to the left of the vertical line as shown. You can see in the figure, adjoining figure. See, in the first line we wrote all the coefficient form of the dividend and minus to the left vertical line. Write the coefficient form of the dividend polynomial that has been already written in the first row. And we have to take this first numerical part 3 as it is in below. Now multiply this 3 with minus 2 and we'll carry on like this. You could see in the third step as write the first coefficient as it is in the third row, that has been already written, you know. The product of the 3 in the third row, you can see here, the product of the 3 in the third row, you can see remainder row, third row, and divisor minus 2, that will be 3 2s are minus 6. That wrote on the second column, so it would multiplied with 2, that will be plus 8. 4 2s are 8 and minus plus. The 0, this plus 8, that gives you 8. Again multiply 8 with minus 2. 8 2s are 16 and minus plus minus 16. So that is minus 1 and minus 16, that is minus 17. It is the remainder. That is the third row gives you the remainder and that of the quotient. Friends, similarly, by multiplying and adding, the addition of the remainder is minus 17, you can see in the third row, and coefficient form of the quotient, that is 3, minus 4 and minus 8. So here the quotient is equal to 3x square minus 4x plus 8 and remainder is minus 17 in this problem. So 3x cube plus 2x square minus 1 can be written as x plus 2 and then 3x square minus 4x plus 8 minus 17, which is the form like this: dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. This method is called the method of synthetic division. The same division can be done by linear method of division. Well, let us see that one. Linear method for this. 3x cube plus 2x square minus 1 can be written as this 3x cube can be written as 3x square into bracket x plus 2 minus 6x square plus 2x square minus, because 3 2 is 3x square into x is 3x cube, and here minus 6x square comes, since 3 to the 6x square, it is plus 6x square minus 6x square get cancel, and you are getting the again same result. So friends, here you will get that 3x square into bracket x plus 2, here minus 6x square plus 2x square in the previous step. Minus 4x square minus 8x plus 8x minus 8x plus 8x, it will be 0. For simplification purpose we are adding these terms. Once 8x is added and another it is subtracted, so it will not change the equation. Therefore 3x square into bracket x plus 2 minus 4x is out from this 4x square minus 8x into bracket, it will be x plus 2. So friends, here 3x square into bracket x plus 2 minus 4x and another bracket x plus 2 plus 8x plus 16 minus 16 minus 7. Rearranged the reformation of the terms. So here you will get that 3x square into bracket x plus 2 minus 4x into x plus 2 plus 8 into bracket x plus 2 minus 17. Among all these, x plus 2 is common, that is taken out. So the result you are getting is x plus 2 into bracket 3x square minus 4x plus 8 minus 17. So the same result you got from the synthetic division method, that is dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So friends, I think you understood the synthetic division method very easy. So what we have been discussed is today only the synthetic division method and that of the steps how to carry the synthetic division method. So friends, you should not forget the famous words of this David Hilbert. Mathematics knows no races or geographic boundaries. For mathematics, the cultural world is one country. So friends, if you like this video, subscribe, share with your friends, and don't forget to press the bell icon. With these words, I would like to say thank you. In the next session, we will discuss with practice at 3.3.